Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your profile picture on the Signal application in 2021 on your iPhones. So it's really easy to do. You just want to head over to the Signal application and open that up. Once you're on the Signal application, you want to go to the top left corner where you see your profile picture currently. Click on that, and then just click on the profile picture that you have again. And then we'll bring this up here. You just want to click on your profile picture for the last time. And then under set profile photo, you'll see camera, photo library, and remove photo. So all you have to do is just click on remove photo. That will then remove your photo and you'll go back to the stock 2 letters like you have there now. And then all you have to do is click on save and that will then be removed and you'll be good to go. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to delete your profile picture on Signal. This video does help you out. Be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.